Recently I visited Bihar, and there were five, I would say, big improvements over the years, which I have seen personally. Although there are a lot of things to be said and heard about Bihar, but there are significant changes. So, first is roads. The condition of roads are such good, it can compete with any NCR colonies. Even in my village, in my doorstep, the roads are there. Second is tap water. So Bihar is the first state where it has achieved almost more than 95% of tap water distribution system in its area. Commendable job by Bihar government. Third is law and order. I remember there was a time when after dark, with men or women, nobody used to step out from his house. Even cities like Patna or Muzaffarpur or Gaya, I mean, the law and order situation were very, very bad. But now it has improved drastically. I have seen men and women are shopping till late night, and there are considerable crowds in the markets and on the streets. Fourth is the ban of alcohol. I know it's very debatable topic, but it is now reaping the good effect of ban. The poor is basically the most beneficial of this ban. Rich can still afford, although it has created a parallel economy, but the bottle which used to cost 500 in other places, it is costing like 2000, 2500, and that too it is very illegal. If you get caught, you will be behind bars no matter what. Very strict rules are there for alcohol consumers. So it's basically good thing for poor, because if they earn 300 or 500 rupees a day and they end up wasting it in the alcohol, they are now saving. At least they are taking care of their families. And the last thing is obviously it's agriculture. Bihar is one state where most of the people around is still more than the national average, around 80-85% people is depending on agriculture. It has very fertile, vast land because of the Gangetic plains. Very fertile land. You can grow anything. I have seen nowadays since it's a wheat crops are there, and there are a lot of pulses, tomatoes, potatoes, vegetables, even fruits like mangoes. They are the lychee, they are number one. Makhana, they are the number one. So overall I think Bihar has progressed a lot, but since its start has been very late, obviously it will take time to fly basically. Thank you.